Carl, let's say you lost everything tomorrow. No money, no followers, and you had to start from scratch at 50. What would you do?
Oof. Honestly, I'd start small, quiet, and smart. You don't need fancy tools. You need a plan and a little grit. For those who don't know me, I'm Carl, a midlife dad and grandpa who had to start completely over after a health scare. I found digital freedom not because I'm techie, but because I had to. There was a time I felt like I had no options left. I didn't have savings. I was out of work. The thought of learning all this online stuff felt like climbing a mountain with flip-flops on.
What was your first step?
I joined a simple digital program that broke it down. It didn't try to teach me everything. It just said, start here, then do this, then share it. Oh, that gave me clarity I didn't even know I needed. It taught me to pick one lane. I focused on affiliate marketing and simple lead capture. I didn't chase trends. I learned to speak to people like me, midlifers, trying to figure out what's next. The flexibility, I don't need to be glued to my screen. I work from home. I show up when I'm able. I'm building something around my life, not burning out, trying to escape it. I have income trickling in. I have skills I didn't think I could ever learn. I have hope again, and that's worth everything. If you're starting from zero and feel overwhelmed, subscribe. I share exactly what's working for folks like us, slow, steady, and sustainable.